Ollie, let's begin with you. Do you just assume that cyclicals are going to start to outperform again?
I mean, I guess it depends on your confidence in the quote-unquote Trump trade, the quote-unquote the rebound in economic growth. I think if you do look at the economic numbers, if you look at what's been coming in, it obviously looks pretty solid. The Fed thinks it looks solid enough to raise interest rates. I think it was a very telling moment when markets got bullish when the Fed started talking about hikes and we saw the whole team from the Fed come out and talk about interest rates. That was not the norm for several years, and now it is.
An telling moment when you get an upside surprise on something like the ADP report. Treasuries drop, the dollar rises, and equity markets just stay resilient. Savita, when you look at cyclicals, and you've talked of upgrading your forecast because euphoria is about to grip the market, does that mean cyclicals are going to start to outperform again?
I think some cyclicals outperform. So I like financials. I like some of the consumer cyclicals that are pretty beaten down and are still cheap. Other cyclicals I think have run ahead of themselves. Materials is trading on fumes. It's trading on stimulus that may or may not happen within the next couple of years. So I think it's selective cyclicals. But, you know, with the Fed tightening and with the market absorbing it reasonably well, as Ollie pointed out, seems like it's bolster for cyclicals to continue to outperform defensives on the margin.